Hello students, in this video we will now discuss about dictionaries. We all know that dictionaries are a collection of some key value pairs. Dictionary associates the keys to the values. A dictionary takes a key and finds its corresponding value. So here let us create a series of dictionaries. That means first we will create dictionary, then convert that dictionary into a series. So here let us store students' names along with their roll numbers. Let us name our dictionary as the students' details, which stores the roll number of the students as the key and the student's name as the values. So here let us write the key value pairs for this dictionary. So I'll just assume any roll number and any names. So here we have the first pair of elements, the key which is in numbers, and the values here we are taking as string. So let us assign few more elements in this dictionary. These names and roll numbers are just the examples. So you can use any names and roll numbers as you want, but you can follow this way of writing. That means there should be a key and there should be a value. So the key value pairs is required for a dictionary. So now after creating the dictionary, let us print the elements of this dictionary. That means all these three key value pairs will be printed. So here the original dictionary is the name of dictionary, which is students details. So I'll write here the name of the dictionary, students details. Now that we have a dictionary, we can create a series of dictionary. We can convert this dictionary into a series by using the series function. These three lines of codes are for creating dictionary. Now to create series, we have to write some more codes. So let's write those codes. So here let us name our series with this name, for example, student series. And we are converting the student details into series using series function. So here I have to write the name of the dictionary. Here the name of dictionary is students detail. So in line number 7, we are calling that dictionary. So we are converting the dictionary into series as shown in line number 7. So now that we have converted the dictionary into series, we can now print that series. Here our series name is student series. So here we are printing that series. Let me just write one line of code here, indicating that this is a series. And now let us run the program and check the output for this program. Here we have the output. You can see here, this is the original dictionary that we created at the beginning of the program. And this is the series. That means the series of that dictionary. So this is a simple program for creating a series of dictionary. So these are just few lines of code for creating series. So now let me copy this line and then we will create another series. Now let us have a look on how to get the elements of the key of a dictionary. Suppose here we want the name of students of roll number 31. If we just write print 31, we are getting the output like this. That means 31 itself. So this is not the answer that we want. We want the value for roll number 31. That means the key is 31. So here we have to mention the dictionary name. So we have the dictionary students detail. But before that, we have converted that students details into series. So the series name is here students series. So now in this line also we have to mention the name of the series, then the key. So now after mentioning the key, we are getting the value. As you can see here, the value of that key is coming correctly. So keep in mind that while accessing elements from a dictionary, you need the key. While in list, the elements are accessed through their index. As you have seen in this example, we are specifying the key and then we are getting the value. So you can try by yourself on how to access the elements of the dictionary by specifying the key. So that's all for this video. We shall meet again in the next video.